Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, 2025. Happy new month. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about setting intentional goals for this new month, okay? And before I get started, again, my name is Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018, and I am really passionate about helping people generate mailbox money through online marketing and direct mail marketing. So it's a new month, and every month I set new intentional goals because I believe that if you're not setting goals and tracking your goals, how do you know if you're doing better than last month, right? So it's just a way to keep me knowing what's going on with my businesses, and it helps me focus on what I need to do better than I did the previous month, if that makes any sense, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to define your priorities, all right? Take 3 or 5 different priorities that you have, write them out so that you know what they are, and prioritize them, So if you want to make more money online, and that's your number one priority, then make sure that that is what you're focusing the majority of your time on, okay? So that is what I always do. I always prioritize, I just put in order what I want to work on, I want to align my goals with what truly matters, okay? If I want to set a goal for, making more money this month and then I don't focus on it for the month, what good is having that goal, right? So the second thing you want to do is you want to use SMART goals. And this is be specific, have measurable goals, achievable goals, relevant goals, and time bound. All right. So instead of just saying, I want to make more money this month, how about setting a goal like, I want to make an extra $1,000 this month, and then saying how you're going to do it, right? So instead of saying, I just want to make more money to help my family this month, be specific. Make it, I want to make an extra $1,000 this month so that I can help my family do whatever. All right, so that I can pay off a bill or pay down my credit card or have enough money for my car payment, whatever it is. All right, but be specific, measurable, make sure it's an achievable goal, and you want to make sure that it's relevant to whatever your top priorities are, and you want to set a time bound for it. You want to have a time limit for it. That's important. So when you set a goal, you want to make sure, say in X amount of days or X amount of months, I want to achieve this goal. Don't just set the goal without a time limit, right? Because then you'll just procrastinate. How do I know that? Because I've done that for years and years and years before I finally got my act together. I'd have all these goals, but I would never set any time limits to them. So I would never achieve them, right? It also helps you plan and track your goals better, right? Which is what you want to do. You want to know what is working for you, what isn't working for you, so that each month you can see what you need to do more of, what you can focus less on, what is working, what isn't working. All right, tracking your goals are important. So that's why I recommend everybody write down their goals each and every month. Even if you have a monthly goal that you don't achieve, you want to keep track of it. All right, maybe instead of having the goal, achieving a goal in 30 days, it took you 35 days or 40 days or 60 days. But you want to know, you want to keep track of this. It's important to do that. It's important to have a list so that you can see what your goals are, look at the list every day, and be reminded of what it is you have to do to achieve these goals. If you're not tracking them, there's no point in setting them. Okay? And the last thing is you want to have a good mindset. All right? You want to use affirmations and visualization to motivate you. Right? That's why people have, they have their dream boards or goal boards or whatever you want to call them. They'll put a board together that has all the things that they want in life. It might be a new car or a new house or a dream vacation or whatever it is. People set up dream boards so they can see what it is that they want. And you can look at that every single day and be motivated by it. Just talking about what you want doesn't help, but when you see it, right? When you have these boards, or maybe it's just images on your computer, whatever it is, that you see what it is that you want every single day, it's going to get ingrained in your brain. All right? So when you set these goals and you start taking action every single day, it's going to become part of your daily habits, part of your daily routine. Right? My goal is to try to make a video once a day. All right? That is one of my goals, to make at least one video a day or go live at least once a day. Do I always achieve it? No. Sometimes life gets in the way. But I'm always working towards that goal. All right? Now, my goal for this coming month, on top of doing videos, is I want to refer 10 new people to my businesses. I want to help 10 more people start their journey to financial freedom. All right? Because by helping other people, it helps me financially, every way possible, right? When you're helping people do something, achieve goals, there's no better feeling in the world than helping people. You know, some people might only need $500 a month to pay their, extra bills or whatever, or to save money, or to put money into their children's college funds, whatever it is. Some people are looking for $10,000 a month. To help people get started on their work from home, being self-employed, having their own business journey, there's nothing more rewarding than that. There's nothing more rewarding than that. So on top of doing what it is that I already do, showing up each and every day, taking action, and making videos, and sharing my opportunities with people, I want to help a minimum of 10 people this month in April start their own business, or add a new business to what they're already doing, to help them supplement or replace their income. And by doing that, that helps me, right? And when I get helped, I can help my family out. There's all different things you can do. I can donate to charities, all different things. So what are your goals for April of this year, 2025? What are your goals? Let me know down in the comments below. Do you set goals? Do you have any goals? Are you crushing your goals? Let me know, okay? But whatever it is you do, make sure that the goals that you're setting are intentional, all right? So I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you have an awesome month. This is an exciting time here to be alive. There's so many opportunities online. There's so many ways to make money online now. And if you just keep all the negative BS out of your life, there's so much good in the world. There's a lot more good in the world than what is portrayed on TV and on the internet and on Facebook. There's lots of cool things, okay? So I hope you have a great month, okay? And I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.